Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you what we're going to do as far as completing the project, which is adding the other two pieces, the other triangular shade pieces. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. The last video I installed these two. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see it. I installed those two pieces right there, okay? And we need two more. We need one piece right here. The other piece is gonna be right there, okay? Right here. That's what we're gonna do. This is gonna be a short video, part two maybe. And I'll show you what we're gonna do. I'll record as much as I can. And once it's done, I'm gonna show you the end results. Okay, here we go. As far as parts and tools, this is all we're gonna use. I'm gonna use the drill. I'm gonna use drill bits, string, paracord here, the hardware, and these two are the pieces. Let's see, maybe I can read the measurements here. 12 by 12 by 12 triangular pieces, okay? And the color is sand, it says right there. This is straight from Amazon. That's how they come. And we're gonna be installing them. Okie dokes, let's get started. Alright guys, so here is a quick update and a close-up of what I've done so far. I attached this one here. I attached that one to this one here, right there. So we have three of them right there. Okay. Then I came over here and I did the same thing. Right there. And then this one here, I had to go a little further than just the edge of the roof there. Maybe you can see it right there. A little further. I went a little further just to stretch it. If I put it on the edge, like I did the other ones, that one and that one, the shade wasn't stretching. So this is just a quick update. Let's finish this thing up. Okay guys, I'm done. I already installed the other two pieces. I just went from the existing tie down points to a third one here, and then the other one I took it to the roof. I'll show you. I'm gonna turn this around so you can see how easy it is to get to install some shade for your pool. So I'm gonna turn this around and I'll show you what I did. It's gonna work for what we need. Yeah, so I'm gonna turn it around and I'm gonna let you guys see what I did. I'm gonna start here at this point. Okay, right there, this is my shed. By the way, forgot my drill. All right, so this is my first tie down point right here, and I used the same hook, the same hooks for this. I'll show you. All right, and then from there I went to this one here. Okay, and then I used the existing tie down point from here to attach the third one. Same thing over here. And the last one is gonna be right here. I couldn't do it like the other ones with the hook straight from the edge of the roof because it was sagging too much. This thing was not stretching, and if I pulled it more towards one side, the other ones would sag down. So I decided just to pull it a little further that way. I'll show you right now. So that's it. That's all I did. Let's see how long this lasts like this. This brutal sun here in Arizona. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions or anything you think about this project. It's just a simple shade. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.